Are you looking for how to fix Google Play service keeps stopping problem? In this video, I show you how to fix Google Play service keeps stopping problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps or application management, then click on apps. Now search for Google Play service. Click on Google Play service. Click on storage. Click on manage storage. Click on clear all data. Okay. Now click on force stop. Okay. Now search for Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Now click on storage. Clear data. Delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to Google Chrome. Search for Google Play service. Now click on Google Play service. Now update Google Play service if available update. Now I hope that this method fix Google Play service keep stopping problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.